Welcome back to Irresistible Communication. 2 minutes, twice a week, no nonsense advice on leadership communication. Some leaders are good at making decisions. Others are good at making it obvious how decisions are made. Both can lead an organization to incredible success, but only the latter teaches the organization how to sustain that success after their departure. I've worked with both types of leaders. The first type acts like a discerning judge. They would argue that their job is to listen closely to all perspectives and then make the final call. The second type is more like a mentor, guiding the team in understanding the decision making process itself. They would argue that their job is to articulate how choices are made in the best interest of the organization and foster a culture of meaningful discussions. In this environment, anyone is equipped to make informed choices for the group. While one leader makes the decisions, the other empowers everyone to be decision makers. I'm writing a new book that teaches you how to communicate effectively so that your team knows how to make choices. It's going to be published in 2024, and if you want to get notified, click on the link in the show notes. Keep lighting the path and share this with a friend.